I really want to be productive. Today we're doing a deep clean reset. Freaking excited. Oh, I've been craving this. 1 hour of cleaning makes such a big difference. My channel. Welcome to this week's vlog. As you guys know, I have been feeling pretty anxious recently, and because of that, I just have not been taking care of my space. This is not staged at all, but this is what my apartment is currently looking like. You cannot judge me. I haven't unpacked from my recent trip. I did a PR haul, a monthly empties, a ton of content that involved products. So I just have things everywhere on my desk. It looks so messy. I have probably like 4 loads of laundry that I need to do. There is so much that I want to get done today. I really want to be productive and get my space clean today because I feel like once I tidy up my area, my brain will probably also feel a little less chaotic. So today we're doing a deep clean reset. As you guys know, with cleaning videos, I always start with my laundry because that is the one that always takes the longest to do. So let's start there. This might seem a little silly, but yes, I consider refilling my ice cube tray as a chore because it's one of the things that I be forgetting, but I love having an iced coffee in the morning, so I have to refill my ice cube tray every few days if I want to enjoy that. I think so far it's only been about like an hour and a half, and I've gotten so much cleaning done. I am very proud of myself. I've been procrastinating on this for a very long time, and literally if you just lock in for a little bit, 1 hour of cleaning makes such a big difference. I just finished washing the dishes and putting the ice cubes away. If you hear that beeping, that means that my laundry is done, so we can put it in the dryer now. Trash and recycling to take out, so I'll be right back. Round 2. Success! You guys! Oh wait, can you see me? Hold on. I got malatang for dinner! I have been craving malatang for at least a week now, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my nose is super freaking stuffy today. Wow, they really tied this well. I mean, I guess that's a good thing. I'm not sick, but I woke up and my nose has been like having the sniffles all day, and I'm pretty sure it's my allergies because I went to sleep with my windows open and I I shouldn't do that, but I just love the nice cold breeze in the night. Sometimes when I do that, I wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, something from the outside makes my allergies go really, really crazy and bad. I am so freaking excited. Oh, I've been craving this. I mostly just got veggies and I'm actually going to add my own beef in here. I have some frozen beef and the soup is still really, really hot. I also got it super spicy because last time I got it medium and it was not spicy enough. Today I got it extra spicy. We'll see if it's good enough for me. Oh my God, my mouth is already watering. Hold on, let me go grab the beef so that I can like add it in. This is the beef that I have. I just get it from H Mart and it's the frozen shabu ribeye. I'm just gonna add like a couple pieces in here. The soup is still like steaming hot, so this should cook. And if it doesn't, well, it's beef, so it's okay. But no, it will cook, don't worry. In here, I got, wait, hold on. Let me go put the beef away. 1 second. You wanna like really dunk it into the soup so that it cooks. I got some jasmine rice on the side, and then to dip, some sesame sauce and cilantro. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit of the cilantro into the sesame sauce, but then I'm also gonna put some in just like directly into the soup because I love cilantro. I got a lot of noodles in here. I got the wide noodles because these are my favorite. They're so chewy. Got some enoki mushrooms, some seafood mushrooms, and bok choy. Oh yeah. Okay, let's first have some noodles. Oh yeah. It's definitely spicy this time around. Whew. I love that it's spicy. Some seafood mushroom. I love malatang so much. Wow. Whew. Yeah. It is a little spicy. They added a ton of red chili peppers. These look like the Thai ones, the bird eye chilies, which are really, really spicy. They are my favorite though. Okay, the bok choy, I'm gonna dip in the peanut or sesame sauce. I never know which one it is. This is sesame. I'm gonna have my first piece of beef. As you can see, it did cook. I'm gonna have it with a little piece of mushroom, dip it in the sauce. That is so good. Here I have some jasmine rice. I just love how jasmine rice is so fragrant. Delicious. You guys, my nose is really running. I'm gonna blow my nose for a second. Let's try the soup. I can already tell it's spicy. That is hitting the spot. I'm gonna finish my food and I will see you guys in a little bit. Malatang was so yummy, you guys. I finished eating and I put everything away, and I think now I'm going to water my plants because they're looking a little sad, and I definitely should be giving them some water. To do is I got this little contraption off of TikTok shop, and I use this to get all of the hair from my head and from Scout's fur off of the rug, and then I just vacuum it all up and it makes my rug so much cleaner. It picks up things that the vacuum typically doesn't. I don't know how this thing works, but it is a lifesaver. That's all the hair that this picked up. Okay, last chore of the evening is going to be putting my bed back together with all of the freshly washed bedding that just came out of the dryer. It finished washing, or it finished drying. After that, I'm going to be done for the night. I am very tired now, so let's hurry this up. friends, it is a couple days later since I saw you guys last and I was cleaning my entire apartment. Yesterday, I was trying to vlog, but my allergies were so bad. I don't know what's in the air, but something about the seasons changing. Sometimes if I go to sleep with my windows open, the next day, I cannot stop sneezing, and yesterday was one of those days. My allergies were going absolutely bonkers and like I just couldn't film yesterday. So we just took it easy. I did a ton of editing, rotted in bed. It was Love Island Games' season finale, so I definitely watched that last night while texting my friend. I'm so glad that I ended up doing that deep clean on Saturday because I was fighting myself a little bit to like maybe push it off until Sunday because you know the whole like Sunday deep clean reset kind of mentality. But then getting sick was definitely not in my parlay, and I'm just so glad that I had already gotten it done so that on Sunday I could truly relax and just focus on healing and feeling better. Because if my allergies were going crazy and my room was a mess, oh, I think my brain just like wouldn't have been able to take it, and all I would have done was rotted all day, but I was still able to get a little bit of editing done too. So ultimately we were productive. It was great. I'm very happy with the way my weekend turned out. It is now Monday morning. As you saw, I made myself a little breakfast avocado toast. I'm already finished with my morning coffee. I got a TikTok video up already. I'm just feeling really good so far. Pretty much the only thing I have planned for the rest of today is to try and finish my YouTube video for this week. As you guys know, YouTube videos take me a long time to edit. I usually spend about like 10 to 12 hours on one video. So that's probably gonna be the majority of my day today and tomorrow. I'm gonna finish my breakfast, get into editing, and I will check in with you guys sometime later. It's a few hours later, so I ate dinner. I talked to my mom on the phone for a little bit, and I took a shower. I did my skincare. Please do not mind Jupiter. She's a painful one, and she has been there for like a couple of days. Finally got my hands on some acne stickers. These are my favorite from Panoxyl, and I stuck one on yesterday. I woke up this morning, and a lot of the pus had come out. Ugh, sorry, trigger warning. But like a lot of the gunk had come out, but I put another one on her tonight because I want the rest of it to like really come out and flatten up. These are really, really good. They are my favorite acne stickers. I feel like a lot of the other ones don't really do much, but these, they work. Oh yeah. As I was eating dinner, I was watching some YouTube. I didn't film any of it, but now it is time for me to like start winding down for the night, and I am going to be journaling some of my feelings and just thoughts and emotions and things like that. And then I'm also going to set intentions for myself for tomorrow because I want to be really productive tomorrow and get a lot of things done. And I think scheduling my day beforehand kind of like, it helps me because then it's like I have something to stick to tomorrow. You know, I don't just wake up and I'm like, huh, what do I want to do with the day? It's like I know what I want to do with the day. I already planned it. So I'm going to be journaling for a little bit before I go to bed. I'm going to put on some music and just write my heart out.